guys! Severe thunderstorm warning. Let's go, baby.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cass County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Adams County in southwestern
Not that
Iowa,
bad outside.
western Adair County in southwestern Iowa until 5:30 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles east of Elliott to near Villisca to 9 miles northeast of Clarinda, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenfield, Corning, Lake Icaria, Fontanelle, Orient, Massena, Cumberland, Bridgewater, Nottoway, Carbon, Greenfield Municipal Airport, Nottoway Park, Corning Municipal Airport, and Lake Icaria State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Adair, and Adams.